Good morning, everybody. Anna Renee, your love power goddess, once again, and for the last time. We are now in Jackson, California. Very beautiful. We're at the what's the name of this? The Jackson Rancheria Casino and Resort, and it is morning time. We are in the valley, or I'm not sure exactly where we are, but I see rolling hills up ahead, and it is sunrise on the 4th floor. So down there you see the roof, and that is the casino under there. But a very beautiful view. Let's see if I can get this right. Natural, dry, earthy, deserty view. Sunrise is 6:30 in the morning. That's gorgeous. And that's it. That's all I can get. But yeah, it's real pretty out here. I guess we will be having breakfast and then we're heading back home. We are heading back home. I really love this place. It's so well put together, so well organized. The room is kind of messy because I slept in it. But I love these beautiful pictures of all the wildflowers and stuff like that. Tin roof shack. But what makes it beautiful is the beautiful wildflowers, and I guess those are tulips. This place was on point, all together comfortable, right? I really love this Keurig coffee and tea maker pots. 6 different types, 3 teas and 3 coffees, I believe. Plus, we can go downstairs and get free complimentary coffee more. The thing that I really appreciated is outlets. Okay, isn't that nice? I could plug my phone up right here at the desk and recharge my phone without having to put it on the wall somewhere next to a chair. Comfort, you know. Nice table. I think this is not real marble, it's whatever you would call that, but it's sturdy. Then the desk. I said it was oak, and I don't even know for sure. It looks like the stuff that I used to see in the library long ago. Real old-fashioned. So I'm guessing it's oak. Very sturdy. Love that headboard. Love it. Just very well thought out, for the comfort of the customer. Beautiful California poppies. Beautiful picture. I already took a bath. But what I wanted to show you guys was this shower curtain. You can see through it, so that if there were 2 people in this room, then if one person is taking a shower, you could see their face, so that would sort of stop you from wanting to pull the shower curtain open to talk to someone. A nice subtle touch. I love that. Then all the soap is gone, the lotion is gone, because I had taken it. Soap thief. All right. So, turn that off. I finally figured what this thing is. This is what they would serve a tray of food on. They would bring your food up and then serve it on that. I don't know people. I don't know these things. I don't know these things. Kept seeing it in every hotel. It finally occurred to me. I slept so much better here. Oh my God. I slept so much better. So I know it was the elevation. Wasn't used to it. My body just stayed awake. So we're gonna go. Last night, that part of the roof was lit and turning different colors. That's a pretty nice touch. Okay. You can actually open a window here, but that's as far as you're gonna get it open. It's just very intuitive the way the native people hooked this thing up. I'm assuming they did the architecture, or at least they hired who they wanted to do the architecture. And it makes it very convenient and comfortable. That doesn't mean then that the people are not going to go down there and gamble. The way they did it at Harvey's, they made it very inconvenient. Comfortable, but inconvenient for the modern things. Couldn't plug my phone up. I guess they figured that means then if I sit here and with a laptop, then I wouldn't go down and gamble. At least the Indian casino, they don't make that assumption about people. That's what people come here for, to gamble. Of course they're going to gamble. All right, my people. I got to finish cleaning up, getting all my stuff, taking a newspaper, and we'll be out very soon after breakfast. After breakfast. And the receipts and everything for this. All right. I love these shutters. Everything is just so nice. And the shutters don't have pulls on them. You use your hand to open and close the shutter. Just smart. Just intelligent. Oops, I keep opening them and closing them wrong. Gotta do this one first. That when it starts getting hot, and I'm sure it will, because it was 95 yesterday, then all you gotta do is just close your shutters. Just open them when you're ready. Use your hand to do that. Very convenient. Very lightweight because it's out of some kind of plastic. It's even movable. So, all right, family. I'm kind of looking forward to getting home. All right. So, I will see you all later. Peace.